It's a big day for Bharat Biotech. Today and tomorrow, the 23rd of June, will be an even bigger day. So let's tell you what is going on. Bharat Biotech has its pre-submission meeting scheduled with the World Health Organization tomorrow, and this is usually a routine event for any vaccine maker trying to get approval. But in Bharat Biotech's case, it becomes even more important because this is the first step to Covaxin getting approval from the World Health Organization, and hence those who have taken the Covaxin or will take it being able to travel all across the world with that approval. So here is what happened. On April 19, Bharat Biotech first approached the World Health Organization for an emergency use listing. They were then asked to come back with more data, and tomorrow is when the rest of that data will be submitted, hopefully, and they will have the first round of meetings as a pre-submission process. After that, the World Health Organization will review that data, which is the phase 3 data, and decide on whether to give them approval or not. Meanwhile, what has happened here in India is that Bharat Biotech has finally submitted its phase 3 data to the DCGI. Now, the SEC and the DCGI need to review the data. There is no question really of approval because this is part of the process, and the Covaxin has already been approved for use. That's why it's available everywhere. But what news agencies, news wires have reported is this: the phase 3 data has 77.8% efficacy. This is slightly lower than what Bharat Biotech had announced in their interim analysis of phase 3, which was about 81%. Why this data is also important is because it's the most exhaustive clinical trial yet of any vaccine in India on Indian people. There are over 25,000 people who have taken part in this clinical trial, which is why its outcome is being so keenly watched, as is what the results are. Bharat Biotech has received a lot of flack for not putting out this data earlier. The government has been questioned about why they're giving this vaccine without phase 3 data being available. Remember, we're still waiting to hear from the company officially on what the outcome of that phase 3 trial data is. So a big day for Bharat Biotech, Covaxin, and all of those who've taken that vaccine overall.